Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start our new topic, which is direct and indirect speech. There are two ways of reporting the words of a speaker. One is direct speech, the other one is indirect speech. What is direct speech? We may his actual words. This is called direct speech. Indirect speech, we may give the substances of the actual speech. Like for example, when someone give you the message to convey his or her message to someone, so when you convey the exact words with a meaning, so those sentences will be called direct speech. And when you will be convey only the meaning, do not use the exact words, those sentences will be called indirect speech. Like for example, Arif says I go for a walk. Arif says that he goes for a walk. So in first sentence we use the exact word which Arif told us. So this sentence will be called direct speech. But in other sentence, Arif says that he goes for a walk. We didn't use the exact word. We just conveying the meaning. So this sentence will be called indirect speech. We have in the direct speech we have two parts. First one is reporting speech. The second one is reported speech. Reported speech must be enclosed between the commas. Here we will be learn about how to change direct into indirect speech in imperative sentences. First we learn what is imperative sentences. An imperative sentence is a sentence that tells someone to do something, give advice or instruction, or that expresses a request or command. Like those type of sentences in which we are requesting to someone, giving command, make a piece of advice. So those type of sentences are called imperative sentences. For example, please help me. In this sentence, she is or he is requesting. Don't make noise. In this sentence, a teacher command. Give a command to a student that don't make noise. In imperative sentences becomes an infinitive in indirect speech and is introduced by one of these reporting verbs: tell, order, request, advice. Like in imperative sentences, when we change the narration of imperative sentences. Like narration mean when we change the speech direct into indirect. So first we will be identify the imperative sentences that it gives us a command, tell or request or advice. Then we will be change according to this. And we use infinitive. Infinitive mean when we add to with verb. So it become a adjective, adverb, and it also become a noun. For example, he said go away. So in this sentence he is what? He is ordering to someone. So we will be write instead of said we will be write ordered. He ordered him to go away. So we will be also write to with the verb. In second example, she said to me, please help me. So in this sentence, she is what? She is requesting to someone. She requested me to help her. So those type of, so in this sentences we learn how to change the narration or how to change the direct into indirect speech. Here you have homework. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. These are indirect speech. You will be changed them into indirect speech. The first one is teacher said to him, do not waste your time. He said to her, please lend me your camera for one day. Sit down, he said to his servant. The leader said, work hard and do your duty. The teacher said to him, don't read so fast. So students, kindly write these sentences in your notebook and kindly submit your notebooks on Saturday. I'll be checked. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.